Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to a mini PR unboxing video. Oh, I'm so excited. I just got these 3 boxes in the mail and I am so excited about them. So I wanted to pop on here and do my unboxing. If you've seen any of my PR unboxing videos, you know how much I love these types of videos. They're also just one of my favorite types of videos to watch when I see other beauty YouTubers and those really big beauty influencers put up their huge PR hauls. Those are just like my favorite videos. I don't even know why, but I'm just always so grateful and thankful to receive any PR package. It's been something on my vision board that I've wanted for so long, and when I get a PR package, it just is the most amazing thing. And so without further ado, let's get into the first box. And as you can see, this is from Estate Cosmetics, which I have tried out a few different Estate products on my channel, and I love Estate Cosmetics. So I'm so excited about this PR box. Most recently, I tried out the Estate Liquid Eyeliner, and it is incredible. I am not even a big liquid eyeliner type of gal, but that liquid eyeliner was so amazing that I was actually blown away, and it makes me want to wear liquid eyeliner more often, which I might actually do tonight because I'm going to dinner tonight, and so I was thinking of doing like a simple makeup look, pretty much just wearing what I have on now, except for throwing on that liquid liner. So I'm really excited. But so let's see what else I get to try out from Estate. Oh my gosh, there is so much in here. And right on top is that liquid eyeliner that I was talking about that I absolutely love. It's the Precision Liquid Liner, the felt tip eyeliner. I am so excited to have another one of these. I might need to do a giveaway with this because I am so excited about it and I want everyone to try it. And now that I have one, I want someone else to try it. So stay posted on a potential giveaway. But oh my gosh, that is so awesome. I actually want to let you know that I have a 10% off discount code with Estate Cosmetics. It's Christy_Bergman 10 off, and that'll get you 10% off the Estate Cosmetics website. And that right there is a product that I definitely recommend getting. I'll have my full dedicated review video on the Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner in the description down below if you haven't seen that video yet. Here's another product I recognize from what I've tried out before that I really love from Estate, and it's their lip icing. Ooh, and I have 2 shades here. I have the shade Drip and Glazed. And so Estate Cosmetics is all vegan and cruelty-free, which I absolutely love. And the packaging is so cute. Oh my gosh, beautiful. So this is the shade Drip, like a nice baby pink. I have actually already tried out the shade Drip on my channel in a full dedicated review video. So I will also have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see that. But I'm also really excited to have it in the shade, ooh, Glazed. This is different, but kind of looks like a nude, shimmery gloss. Love those types of products. Ooh, and I also got the Wet Matte Liquid Lips. What? Wet Matte Liquid Lips? That sounds so unique. So this one is in the shade Lolly. Ooh, very nice. I don't think I've tried these out from Estate yet, so I'm really excited to try out the Wet Matte Liquid Lips. I can't wait to see what that's like. And then I also got it in the shade Treat. See, once again, I love the pink packaging. A pretty mauve nude shade. Yes! Oh, I can't wait to try those out. So I'll try out these in full dedicated review videos as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on that, and so that you get to see the makeup that I try out every day. And then next I have, ooh, Estate Eyeshadow Singles. So I have the shade Nut, a nice light golden shade. Love these types of eyeshadows. the shade Virginity. Ooh, that's a pretty shimmery brown shade. And a third shade, this is Pipe. Ooh, like a metallic orange, very fun. And then I also got the Do Me Baked Highlight Powder in the shade Lit. And this is another product that I have tried out on my channel already. So I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But such a fun, beautiful highlight. Love the packaging on this. And then they also sent the Do Me Baked Highlight Powder in the shade Exposed. Ooh, this looks fun. Maybe more like a blush. Love that. I love a highlight blush shade. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this one out in a dedicated video as well. So wow, that is a lot of awesome products. I am so excited to be stocked up again in some of my favorites and have some new ones that I can't wait to try out. So thank you so much to Estate Cosmetics for sending these over to me. And don't forget to use my code Christy_Bergman 10 off for 10% off your purchase on the Estate Cosmetics website. I'll have that linked in the description down below. All right, next up I have a box here from Wander Beauty. The excitement never fades when I get a box from Wander Beauty. I still can't believe it because I love Wander Beauty and they've been so generous to me with the products that they've sent me. All right, let's see what we've got here. Ooh, it's all your skincare essentials are in the bag. Let's see what my skincare essentials are. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm seriously just loving all the pink packaging on all of the products I'm getting today. Of course, it's like my favorite thing to see. And oh my gosh, I have to pull this out. This looks so fun. Ooh, this feels beautiful. Really nice quality tote bag. Love that. Says Wander Beauty on it. Always great to have tote bags for going to the grocery store, beach bag, just carrying whatever you need. Oh my gosh, and this is made from 100% rPET, a fabric created from recycled plastic. That's so cool, and it feels like such a nice fabric. This is the Wandering Around Tote. Retails for $18 on wanderbeauty.com. Then they also sent over their airplane mode round trip. This is so cute. I love this cosmetics case. It's TSA friendly mini skincare essential kit. And there's even a little scrunchie. I love scrunchies. I'm so excited, and it's such a cute one. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, love this scrunchie. It's got a silky feel, and it's so cute. You'll probably see this in my hair pretty often. Oh, and I see next one of my favorite products ever, the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Ooh, and there's two pairs. These are just so lovely on the under eyes. So immediately hydrating, and they have a metallic gold look to them, which is so fun. Oh, they're so cute, these minis. So here we have the Drift Away Cleanser, the Mist Connection Essence and Toner, the Staycation Hydrating Mask. Ooh, I need to use that these days. And the Dive In Moisturizer. Ooh, 72 hours of hydration. This is seriously so perfect for travel, or just if you want to try out some of their top skincare products. This is a great way to do so, and you can get this airplane mode round trip set for $45 on wanderbeauty.com. And I think this is just the most adorable set, and I love this cosmetics case and the scrunchie. So I am seriously so excited about this. Oh, this makes me want to travel or just do a staycation, skincare, self-care type night. So thank you so much, Wander Beauty, for sending me all of these amazing products. I can't wait to use and wear all of these. Oh, and I just want to say, in case you didn't know, Wander Beauty is always formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and is cruelty-free. And then my third box is actually from Influenster. It's the Tresemme box. I can't believe I'm still somehow getting free product from Influenster, which Influenster is an app that anyone can download, and it's a place where you can put reviews or ask questions about products, companies. It's an amazing app that just has like everything on it. It's such a great resource for looking up product reviews, and I honestly haven't been on that app in a long time, but they keep sending these surveys, and I just find these surveys so fun to fill out, so I do it, and then those surveys decide if you're a good fit for their campaign to send the products to. And I just keep getting products, and I don't even know how. It's not like I'm very active on that app at all, and I don't even have like my YouTube channel linked to the app, so I don't even have a big following according to the app, yet I'm still getting these boxes pretty often. So I highly recommend signing up for the Influencer app so that hopefully you can get sent some free products as well. Oh my gosh, and these are huge, full-size products. It says, introducing the new Pro Collection. Formulated with our most advanced technologies, whether you're in need of damage protection, care for curls, or an extra boost of moisture. I need all of that. The Pro Collection features 7 unique variants to meet your hair needs and help you achieve salon quality results right at home. I actually am running low on my shampoo and conditioner, so this came at perfect timing. The shampoo that I'm finishing up right now is actually a full-size bottle that I got from Influencer like a while ago. And so this here is the Tresemme Maximum Lengths Biotin Complex Exceptional Length and Strength Conditioner. Very nice. It's been a while since I've tried out Tresemme hair products, but I remember loving them back in the day. And then this is the Maximum Lengths Biotin Complex Exceptional Length and Strengthen Shampoo, which is great for me with my long hair. I feel so lucky that I have these huge bottles of Tresemme shampoo and conditioner to try out now, and they sound like they're going to be really good. And so that is my mini PR haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed unboxing with you, and thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.